That's a seed?
Yeah.
It's a seed.
Show them.
Alright, show them. You show them.
Look. See. Too heavy.
Too heavy?
I thought we were gonna cut the whole entire thing. Like that?
Yes.
Let's see if we can fill up this basket.
Okay, let's harvest now. Let's go.
Yeah.
Here, all the way to the bottom, there's some peppers too. Alright, so we are getting some habanero peppers. Yeah, put it in that basket. No, stay there and pick. Stay there and pick. These are some habaneros we're getting. And this tree is very prolific. Look at this one.
Whoa, that's orange and red.
The orange and red.
That's crazy. I didn't know it could be orange.
Depends on when you pick them. So this is not well ripe yet.
There's a little bit red on it.
Yeah, you can pick that one.
There's a little bit red on it.
Right.
Hey. I'm very strong. Hey! That be?
Let's drop it in. Okay, pick up all the red ones. No, the red ones.
One big orange. Try to get these ones.
This one?
Easy ones.
Take it out.
Try to get them.
Let me help.
Oh, we want to go to the other one.
The
The
other
other
one?
one.
Which other one?
The other one was there. Well, look at this.
That's a seed?
Yeah.
It's a seed.
Show them.
Alright, show them. You show them.
Look. See. Where's the other one? The other one dropped.
Oh, one fell.
Yes, here. See? Okay.
Hold on, wait.
Over there, I think.
Over here?
Like in this section.
Let us see. Let us see.
I see one more.
See one more? Where?
This stupid thing.
Oh, down there.
No. It's not this one. It's
Oh.
that one right there.
Oh, can you get it? Can you get it? Ah, good. Alright, take the other one down there. Take the other one. This one
more
right,
down there.
right here. This one. See?
Oh, what about this one?
There's one more? Oh, leave that one. Leave that one.
This one.
You want that? You want that one? You want to take it? Okay. Go for it. Go for it.
Remember we had what's here? Go and look for some more. Okay?
Mhm.
I'm gonna go and look for some more.
So these are some different
I'm
sizes.
just looking for more.
Looking for some more?
Yes. I'm showing you next basket. And then you cut your finger.
I'm not gonna cut my finger. Good job. We're in a pipe, so we're gonna take
Right
it
here?
because it's not getting
Right
bigger.
here?
Yes, right there. So,
Ugh.
hold on, let me help.
Heavy. Too heavy.
Too heavy?
I thought we were gonna cut the whole entire thing.
Oh, put it in the basket.
Which basket? This basket?
Yes, that basket.
The same basket?
Same basket.
Now we put.
Yes. Okay, good. And we're gonna take this red one.
It's not red, it's purple.
Purple?
Yes.
Okay.
It looks
okay.
purple, it's purple.
Yeah, you're so correct. It's purple.
Purple cabbage.
Purple cabbage. it for this one. So pretty it is. Like it? Wow. Yeah, awesome.
I don't think the cabbages are going to fit. I don't think all the cabbages are going to fit.
You might fit. You let it fit.
Oops, there it is. What you did?
Okay, wait. Really? Okay. Cut. To harvest or to eat?
Harvest.
Oh, okay.
I don't even eat hot.
Really, you think so?
I don't like.
Well, you eat it. I've given it to
No.
eat. Yes.
No, you don't give me to eat.
Of course. You just don't know.
I don't know what's that. What is this? What is this?
That's a soursop tree.
But what is this thing right here?
The branch. No, that's a chunk. The chunk. Or the trunk. The point is at the trunk.
Are you sure? Because it looks.
Take it. Just put it down. Put it down. Oh.
Like that?
Yes. Good. All right, take your time, take your time. It's corn.
Corn. Remember, take these.
Take them off.
Take them off for fun.
Take them off. You take them off.
We have to take them off for fun, not throw them on the ground.
You mean throw them on you?
Yes, remember?
Okay.
Wait, not yet. We have to take all of them. I want all of them. Wait. Wait, can we use this still?
Mm-hmm. Again. Alright, let's go.
Wait! Another corn? Why is there a corn at the papaya tree? You're like taking up the stem. You're like taking off the stem, you know? You're like taking off the stem. Hey, I want to do that one.
Thought this one was ready, but it's not ready. Look at it.
I want to do that one.
No, it's not ready. It's not ready. It's not ready. It wasn't ready. This one is a fail. Alright.
Corn fun.
Corn fun? Take it. Alright, so this is our harvest. Let's show them our harvest again. Let's go. Go Jack.
Corn fun. And for the
Okay guys, this is our little harvest for May 24. And we got a good amount of peppers, red cabbage, green cabbage, pak choy, 2 okras, and a corn. So see what you can grow in your backyard and harvest. So do start that garden one container at a time. We will see you in the next one, right Jojo? Right.
bye.
Bye.
Corn fun.
Corn fun.
Corn fun.